Mga kahuwan, we visited Bago City para matilawan namon ang Batchoy sang newly opened nga kalan-an, ang Drakos, Batchoyan sa Barangay Lag-asan. Ang Batchoy or Batsoy is a popular Ilonggo dish and its origin can be traced to the district of La Paz, Iloilo City. The recipe was invented by Federico Gilargan in 1938, and as time passes by, the recipes evolve until it reaches its present form nga amo na subong ang aton ginakaon. Drakos Batchoyan, may ara man sila sang ilang nga version o Batchoy. Gani mga kahuwan, tilawan naton ang ilang nga Batchoy. Sa aroma pa lang sang Drakos Batchoy, makahambal kagid nga manamit ini nga pagkaon. What makes Batchoy special is its ability to be prepared in various dynamic approaches. Salty, spicy, sweet, gingery, and garlicky that makes this distinct, authentic flavor. Savor the aroma of the soup while they serve it hot. Kag makita nyo ang noodles ng Drakos Batchoy, firm kag sampat gid ini kaunon.
Namin sa sabor niya. Namin sa sabaw. Perfect. Gini ko naman tagululan. Kaya namin gito. Sigupigod sabaw.
Manamit gid. Namin sa sabaw. Sakto-saktuwa lang gid ang sabor ito.
Nga ablaging tawag ang Batchoyan nga ini, Drakos.
So si Drakos, ginkuha ni namon nga name sa eldest son sang aton nga owner, which is si Miss Jennifer, which is Drake. So ang different and ang specialty din naton nga Batchoy is we make sure sir nga it's still healthy, no? Unlike the other Batchoys nga they put a lot of seasoning. Diri sa aton nga Batchoy, sa Drakos Batchoy, we put lesser nga seasoning, no? Especially mga magic sarap, mga bitse, no? To make sure man nga ang ginakaon sang aton nga mga tao is still healthy, no? At syempre, we all know a lot of people na suffer from a lot of diseases because of all the preservatives and seasoning na gina-incorporate nila sa aton nga mga food.
Aside sa Batchoy nga ila gina-serve, they also serve any kind of lutong bahay every morning and lunchtime. Kakon gabi, they serve pork, tinae, and chicken inasal with their special barbecue sauce. If you're watching this and wanted to try authentic Ilonggo dish, which is Batchoy in Bago City, I'm telling you to drop by and visit this place, Drakos Batchoyan in Barangay Lag-asan, Bago City.
Sa tanan ng taga Bago, invite ta kamo magkadtong mo sa Drakos Batchoy. Namit nga Batchoy tilawan nyo di.
So hello everyone, we are inviting you to visit, to come and visit diri sa Drakos Batchoyan, located at Rizal Street, Barangay Lag-asan, Bago City. Gina-invite namon tanan nga taga Bago, and not only sa Bago but the other cities and the other cities around San Negros Occidental to visit and try the best and healthiest Batchoy in town. So see you guys!
So mga kahuwan, kita-kits lang kita sa Drakos Batchoyan. And parting words according to classical composer Ludwig van Beethoven, only the pure in heart can make a good soup. Maayong adlaw mga kahuwan, and see you on the next food trip.